Hello, today I'm gonna show you my two finished projects. Please subscribe to my channel to support and hit the like button if you like my videos, write a comment or just a smiley face. I finished two cushion covers. This is my first one. It's very beautiful. Wait until you see the other side. I have to straighten them out a little bit, but that's fine. Otherwise, pattern is perfect. I will leave a link down below for both of my patterns. I have a tutorial on both of them and I made all different squares so I can show you how you can use your leftover yarn. And then I decided what I'm gonna do with those squares, and I made a pillowcase. And it turned out very good. I like it. It has too many colors, but I just want them to use those squares, and that's why I did cushion cover. And I joined with my lovely method. I'm gonna leave a link below also for that. So I started here, then I crocheted one square, then I joined my second square, then I crocheted there, and I joined my third square, my fourth square, and then I didn't stop. I joined my two other squares and my last two squares, and then I put all all 8 squares, so like 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom, and I started crocheting from here and joined two sides together. And on one side I made buttons, so I'm gonna unbutton to show you. So first I sewed the buttons, and then I made the buttonhole. So I only chain one because the buttons are so small. I tried to make them even. That's how it came out. I love this pattern so much. It's easy to crochet and it's very beautiful. You can use your leftover yarn, even a little bit will work. So see, in the first row you only need a little bit, and like next row a little bit more. For that cushion cover I used my lovely Caron Simply Soft. It says for its name it's very soft, so I had like this little bit left because I love Caron so much, so I buy it a lot, and I have a little bit there, a little bit here, and I use them all. I match all the colors and I so enjoyed it. Next I crocheted this popcorn granny squares. They very easy to follow. I'm gonna leave a link down below. See, from a Caron Simply Soft, those popcorns looks like a 3D ones. Very beautiful. And I think with these colors it looks amazing. So now I'm thinking, what should I do with these three? Because I hate to leave them just laying around. Maybe I can join them and make a big pillowcase. But I think these three colors, even if they match, I need to make like one more square to make on this side and four more squares to make my second side. And I don't have enough yarn, so that's for this one. I have only a little bit left and I don't want to buy more, so maybe I'm gonna add white here. Of course, I'm gonna use this a little bit to whatever left, and then I can make white like 2 rows there, and on the back it's gonna be only white because pink and white match. And if I find white, I can make all of those with the white on the back. I think this will be a great idea to make 3 more pillowcases, cushions, because otherwise if I make a blanket, I need a lot of those. My second finished project will be another cushion because I don't have a patience for a blanket. Maybe I do have a patience, not for the granny square blanket, not for the popcorn blanket. And I think if I will make a blanket from these, they will be like this flapping, so I think it's good for a cushion, not for a blanket. These squares, they perfect for a blanket, but I'm gonna pass out before I finish it, so I decided I'm gonna crochet a cushion. And same thing, I did buttons. So here I have only one chain because the buttons are small, and I use the same method. I'm gonna leave a link below to join these squares like this and stop there, and it's gonna blow your mind. So I finished joining this all together for about half-hour. Same thing with this cushion, only half-hour, 40 minutes the most. I so enjoy it. It's very easy, and now this is only method I'm gonna be using. So let me unbutton and show you. I love how they connect together. It's very neat and nice and beautiful. I enjoy it so much. And then I'm gonna leave a link down below for these beautiful granny squares. They multicolor. I hated to crochet multicolor granny squares before because I have to weave so many ends. Like for here, because it's a small granny square, 4 ends, and that drives me crazy. So I used a different method. I'm gonna leave a link down below how not hide your ends. So you only need to hide this beginning end, and then 1 2 3 you have to hide them. So, and when you're gonna join them, this end here from the pink, you have to hide it too, because then you're gonna crochet over with different color. It doesn't matter, it's a blanket or it's a cushion or a cardigan, something else. So only this beginning end. It blew my mind, and that's the only way I'm gonna crochet granny squares. And maybe that's gonna give me more patience to do even a blanket now. I'm gonna show you the yarn that I used. Of course, my lovely red heart. So this red heart, it's vintage, so it's a little rough, and I didn't crochet any clothes, only I tried on cushion, and this newer red heart, it's very soft. So see, even the labels doesn't match because that's the new label. And from this red heart, I'm gonna crochet close hats because it's so soft. I think they learn how to do it very different now. And I didn't find any other color to join, so I took this metallic. I don't know if you need colors. This is light gray, this is jade, so which one is this? Rose pink, this is pale yellow, and of course this is white. This will be a very colorful video. I'm preparing a tutorial for you, actually 3 tutorials. This will be the first one, a heart. It's very easy to follow and it looks beautiful. I like this one, that's my favorite. So it has 6 rows. Ignore this end because I'm gonna be joining when I'm gonna be crochet a heart into a square. I can't stop crocheting these hearts. It's very simple, very beautiful, so you can use your imagination and make 6 colors like me, or make one change only color every 2 rows. So here I change, here, and here I changed colors. Then I went to the opposite and started with the green. So here I used 4 colors. Then I used 1 color, then I used white, then I used peach, white, and green and white. So you can use your imagination and make as many hearts as you like. It's awesome. I can't stop. And second tutorial will be how to crochet a square over a heart. It's only 3 rows and it's very easy, and it's turning out very well. You don't have to crochet this last row, but because I have here treble crochet, so this last row stabilize, so see, it doesn't stretch too much. So when I'm going to be finishing, when you're going to be joining, this will hold, this last row will hold in place all of those treble crochets and extended double crochets. This will be my second tutorial, and third tutorial I'm gonna show you how easily and very beautiful join together. It's very easy. Sorry I didn't prepare, but I'm gonna make a tutorial. So you're just joining like this, and it's very easy. So I think I'm gonna do something like this. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. So this side will be in kind of pale colors, and next side will be very colorful. I know for some of you it's probably too many colors, but I crocheted these hearts for a tutorial, so they will look good in the pictures on the thumbnail. That's why I made them so colorful. And I'm not gonna use it anywhere, so I'm just gonna gift it or something. But I like to crochet very colorful things because life is happy and that's all we should do, to crochet in color, not the plain one color. And again, I use my lovely Karen Simply Soft. So you know, I like it. It's soft. It has so many different colors. It's blowing my mind. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to support my channel. Write me a comment. I will be very happy that you're watching me and supporting me. And I will leave all links down below so you can crochet and enjoy all these lovely colorful things. Believe me, when you start to crochet the things I just showed you, you're never gonna stop to do it. It's like takes me half hour. Actually, I would say 10 minutes approximately, not half hour, sorry. And when you're changing colors, it's going so fast. So believe me, you won't stop only crocheting one heart. You will crochet a whole blanket. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.